Welcome to Teaching with Moodle. This course can be used as a reference to use as needed when learning about Moodle or using features within your courses. Or, if you are NC State affiliated, you can access this course for credit in completion through Reporter, which is the registration system for non-credit courses in training within NC State. The Quick Start Course Shell is a template that any instructor can use when creating course content in Moodle. While this course is not an exact reflection of the Quick Start Course Shell, our course does include models for good course design and the inclusion of learning objectives as well as consistent headings. Within this course, you will find that there are 4 modules, and they are all related to getting started with Moodle. By expanding each topic, you can access the teaching resources and interactive materials within each module. Because you are a student within the course, you can choose to check off or complete different segments of the course by completing the module checklist, as well as any of the activities that have completion conditions attached to them. If you are looking for more information, the block drawer found here includes additional help information and resources, which includes the frequently asked questions section that has commonly asked questions about Moodle. These can be helpful whether you are a new Moodle user or an advanced user. You can always return to this course to find additional information. Additionally, the modules after the first 4 modules will help you move beyond the basics when you are ready. Here you will find out more about other digital tools available through Moodle. If you have any questions while taking this course, please contact LearnTech at ncsu.edu.